Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to allow contacts on Instagram, updated for the latest version. If you've been trying to sync your contacts so you can find friends more easily, this guide will help you get it done quickly. First things first, you'll want to head into your phone's settings. This is where all the permissions for your apps are managed. Scroll down and look for the section called Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Once you're there, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. From this list, find Instagram and tap on it. This will open up Instagram's app info page. On this screen, you'll see a few different options, but the one we're looking for is Permissions. Go ahead and select that. Inside the Permissions menu, you'll find all the different types of access that Instagram might request on your phone. Things like camera, microphone, storage, and of course, contacts. To allow Instagram to access your contacts, simply look for Contacts and tap on it. Now, you'll be given a choice between Allow or Deny. Select Allow. Once you've made this change, Instagram will have permission to access your contact list, making it easier for you to connect with people you already know. After you've done this, you can return to Instagram and refresh your contacts syncing. The app will start suggesting accounts of friends who are saved in your phone's contact list. It's a quick way to grow your network and make sure you don't miss anyone already in your circle. That's all it takes to enable contacts on Instagram. Just a few steps. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, tap Instagram, open Permissions, and allow access to contacts. Once it's turned on, you'll be able to use Instagram's contact features seamlessly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to double-check that your permissions stay updated the next time your phone gets a software update or when Instagram introduces changes. It's always worth reviewing settings every now and then to make sure everything works exactly as you want.